Hi comrades, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make pelmeni. Pelmeni are like Russian meat dumplings, very easy to make. All you need is all of that and just a little bit of patience because it does take some time to make all the little dumplings. This is the cup that I'm using for measurements. I don't know, don't ask, this is how my family does it. It works, okay? You measure out your flour, measure out your milk and water, add salt to the flour, mix it together, crack an egg into that bad boy, and then pour out your water/milk mixture. Then we're gonna knead it up, okay? It's gonna be sticky at first, but we're just gonna keep adding flour to it until it sticks together. Add a little bit of olive oil. Yum delish. Yeah, just keep adding flour till it doesn't stick anymore. Next, plop out the dough, knead it. Add more flour till it doesn't stick anymore, or till it barely sticks. The dough needs to be soft yet springy. I don't know how to explain it. Then we're going to cover it with saran wrap, or you can put it in a bowl, cover it, whatever works for you, and let it rest for gluten to develop and so that the dough doesn't really stick anymore. Then we're going to take an onion, cut it in half, save the other half for later, and chop the first half up into tiny little pieces. Mince it, dice it. You can even use a grater if you want to, but I'm just chopping it up today. Next, beef. You need a fatty beef, okay? None of that lean stuff. You need some fat to it. Mix it with salt. I like to add a little bit of MSG, but don't tell anyone. Black pepper and onion. Mix it all together. Boom, you got your filling. Then on a floured surface, you're going to take your dough. Little sosisechka. You're going to split it into fours just because it's easier to work with. Then cover it with saran wrap so it doesn't dry up. Then you're going to make a smaller sosisechka. Then you're going to cut it up into more pieces, okay? Roll it out one piece, plop a little bit of meat on the inside, and then pinch the sides, and then working towards the center, kind of pinch the other corners, if that makes sense. Then you take the two corners and you kind of pretzel them up together. And then you give it a little pelmeni shake. They're so yummy. Anyways, here's my progress so far. There's some Frankenstein looking ones, but that's okay. Ideally, they need to be quite small. So it's better to just, work with smaller pieces of dough. I love pelmeni because I just have so many good memories with my grandma and my mom and my siblings making pelmeni. We still do it to this day. Actually, last time I went to visit them with my husband, we made pelmeni all together. And it's always just like a fun family activity. I don't really have a family, at least where I live, which sounds kind of sad, but anyways, this was like a day-long ordeal for me. It probably took like 3 hours to do everything. I mean, it only took like an hour and a half to make all the pelmeni, but it's a lot of work when you do it by yourself, and it's much more fun when you do it with people that you love. This is how many I got from this batch. I think it was 48, and this is how much meat I had left over. Probably could have calculated better, but whatever. Next, let's get the water going. You're gonna need a lot of water. You plop the rest of the onion in there for flavor and salt the water just a little bit. It doesn't need to be as salty as like for pasta, but it needs to be pretty salty. Next, use strongly made hands because I don't like splatter, and put it in boiling water. Then they all start to float and you need to let them boil for like 4 minutes. Then they come out. You serve it with some butter, sour cream, black pepper, and it's perfect with a Russian salatik on the side. Literally a dream. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. I ran out of footage, but I feel like there's something else I had to say. Oh yeah, if you have leftover pelmeni, which is a very, very, very rare occurrence, you can fry them the next day. You can also freeze them before cooking them. Just make sure to freeze them on a baking sheet so that they keep their shape and don't stick to each other. And then you can put them in a bag and store them for a long time. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you make some pelmeni for yourself because these are a staple in the Russian community or Slavic community, whatever. We're all brothers and sisters in here. But yeah, let me know if you make them. Let me know if you like them. And thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe and bye. I feel like I've said bye like a million times, but bye for real this time, okay?